but ave kubhlungu ukuthi umuntu umsize maqeda ukukhafulela
uthi masomsizile lo muntu sekaphezulu athi I didn't even ask nokuthi ungenzele
kahle uma umuntu athi kuwe ngiyabonga uthi I see you or I see what you're doing
kahle bhuti mawuthandana nomuntu akwenzele into mawuxabana naye akukhumbuze ukuthi hayi phela ngikwenzela ngakwenzela u1 2 no 3 shothi uthandana nomashonisa
laba babonga ngama negipa namasokisi
ngiyabazi
ngegipa namasokisi i-birthday igipa namasokisi i-valentine igipa namasokisi no but serious lento le it's a crime
as I'm in love nami uzothi hayi abeyangagezanga izitsha sengiyangena kulento zasemakhaya angazi ngifuse njani mabunde emabhodweni basesiphakathi but when a man is in love akafuni lo amthandayo asindwe ekhona that is why when indoda imthanda lo muntu imenzela izinto so that kube lula ungathi wena umuntu wesifazane makakwenzela kube lula bese uyijoda umsebenzi wakhe.
Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. Welcome to Real Talk Bafethu with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. This is a space la sikhuluma khona amaqiniso. This is a platform where we speak the truth as it is and truth unfiltered. As always.
Yes sir.
Smooth.
Sure. Alright mabunda.
Ngiright ndodo.
Hayi no siyabonga. Sibingelele yonke South Africa ezashilo mfethu mabunda. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. And thank you so much for those who are subscribing. Ongaka subscribe aka press subscribe lapho. And remember kwa Facebook usikhona, kwa TikTok usikhona. Kwa even naka Twitter sikhona at Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Alright mabunda.
Uthi mina ngiright wena ugrand.
No ngimnandi.
Ulalile ndoda?
Yeah no ngilalile.
Azo ubuso bakho namhlanje wangathi nje hey busy ubusuku bonke nje usebenza.
No ngilalile. Sure.
No there is no problem. Sure. How has your week been ndoda so far? Njani le week lele ligcwele ngedrama yabona from abomkhwanazi, just a lot happening in South Africa. How has your week been and which other developments have you seen? What was interesting kule week that caught your attention? Anything nje that you wish kwangathi you can highlight that caught your eye? Because what a dramatic week yaqala eSunday ekseni ngomkhwanazi nje akhipha indaba ezinkulu that that's not our space uma singathi I discuss leyo will yabona, so we rather not touch that. But how has your week been?
But man with God man iviki lami lihambe kahle. With God iviki lami lihambe kahle. And the time that we are in, it's a time whereby you must see sondele kakhulu kuNkulunkulu. I won't lie to you, but these are the end times yabo. So nje ngiyabona okuningi yenzeke eSouth Africa, but into engayisho ukuthi abantu abakhuleke. I understand. Because in our days everything has become a norm, noma ibheda into yabo. But ke ileyo nto nje ngingayisho. And also I can see many Real Talk yapusha on TikTok, on Facebook, because as much as kukuningi okucokozelayo, but I'm telling you TikTok Real Talk is penetrating the world, umhlaba wonke, all corners of the world. And man, I even saw good, the feedback is good.
It's good.
And I'm glad man we are on episode number 7 so we've pushed a lot.
We've pushed. No, I see comments where some of them bayasho like comment Buffett keep on commenting lana ku YouTube. You know, but there is something that got me thinking namhlanje yabona. But before I go to this particular thing that got me thinking, I wanted to ask you a few questions if you don't mind. Yabona. Is there anyone or something, specifically anyone that wake wabona in life ikula yabona that played a significant role in your life, or that did something for you and you never got an opportunity to say ngiyabonga. Angazi if it makes sense. Just gonna throw in 2 questions after you answer this one about specifically. Othola ukuthi ke loyo muntu man, life goes on and you realize man, this particular person who played a huge role in my life, but I've never really got an opportunity to say thank you. And to look manje, it distance, anything. But is there someone that played a role in your life, or that you wish you could have told them that ngiyabonga if you had an opportunity?
Okay. But lento ikhuluma, it's very close to my heart, man. It's very close to my heart.
Sure.
Yangithinta because I believe ukuthi wonke umuntu la ekhona.
Sure.
There are people abake back up. There are people abake bemanaye.
Sure.
You understand? That is why Puti, it is very dangerous ukucelebrate umuntu.
Sure.
Kodwa ningacheki ukuthi obani abambek up hayo.
Hey, but
yeah, mina I won't lie, Puti. I can see ukuthi I'm becoming a lion now.
Yeah.
But there was a time where I was a cat, man.
Sure.
And there was a time where I looked down at myself.
Sure.
There was a time where I was low in life,
Hey.
in terms of thinking, in terms of the gift that is upon my life.
I remember those.
Yeah, and in terms of the calling, because ngiyazazi ukuthi ngubani.
Hey,
That is why I put it. Ngilang khona, it's because of uJesu, because of Christ.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
As much as abantu bangakhuluma but bosibuba ofremba nanani, but I know where I come from.
Sure.
But there's a man, I'll be unfair if I'm not saying I'm grateful for that man.
Sure.
He's still in my life. Umfundisi wami, Apostle Bet.
Ay, that man.
Yeah.
That man.
I remember one of the good days. Yangishayile insindiso, in fact ngangishaya ngabantu abaphakathi ku salvation, because kenze kulinyazwe ngabantu.
Sure.
Kanti awulinyazanga uNkulunkulu.
Sibu.
Iphutha abantu abalenza ukuthi balinyazwe ngabantu bakaNkulunkulu. Bayitshela ukuthi balinyazwe uNkulunkulu. So there was a time in my life mabunda whereby mfethu I was down ngalento yokukhonza nje kuyesontweni ngayeka. And you remember that time I was bleeding.
Too much.
Yeah, because I discovered that time, man, angishumayela ngamandla.
Sure.
But I was bleeding. Ngoba kenze kube powerful but ubu bleed.
Sibu.
Because abantu babheka your gift, babheka indlela uNkulunkulu akusebenzisa ngakhona. Bangazi ukuthi kanti khona oil abavuzayo. You understand? But uNkulunkulu ayifihla leyo nto. But during that time, but in fact I was so down and I even quit the church.
Yeah,
I even quit the church.
I remember very well.
And who backed up me? Yeah. You said, hey, Puti man, you are my brother.
Yeah.
I found a church somewhere.
Yeah.
Please come and visit us.
Sure.
Sure. I was like, mabunde mina ngikhonzele ekhaya ithandazela nanani yebo.
Sure.
Then I came there, man. And mangifika lapha I was like, yo, Puti, I felt uthando lukaNkulunkulu. I felt atmosphere kaNkulunkulu. But guess what, man? It was my first time to meet a man onganandaba negift engiphethe, but onendaba nami. I walk the journey with me of being a man, of being a son. Abe ubaba kumina. So I'll be lying, but because I won't lie, bengaba history ngisaphila if angizange ngadibana nalendoda kaNkulunkulu.
You know, but what you're saying, it makes me to cry and wonder, because the very same man that we're talking about he played a huge role, you know. I'm becoming emotional. I don't want to go there. that was not the plan. That was not the plan. But Dad, we appreciate you so much, Yabon, and we love you so much. We appreciate you so much for the role that you are playing in our lives, Yabon. No matter stugile.
Yeah.
Siaboy. Yeah. You want to say something? Is it the same question?
Yeah, but you have to answer, put now.
No.
Who are the people? But get me put my mom for it too. Even you, man.
Ow.
Yeah, even you. You are a brother in the journey, man.
Yeah.
You know, isn't this we understand? But yeah, ile yonto. But okubhlungu nakho konke ave kubhlungu ukuthi uhluleke ukubonga umuntu asaphila. ukuthi noma seyangasekho uyobonga kubani. Yeah, so when imuphi umuntu you can say ukuthi hey
we have a common denominator.
Sure.
That's that. That's that bed.
Yeah,
that's that bed, you know. If I was to mention izinto and the role that he played in our lives, or in my life personally, I would just close the podcast. You did this, you did, and I mean, I'm sharp in terms of memory. Sure. So I can go into detail of moments that changed and transformed our lives. From the prayers that he prayed concerning our lives, from the love that he gave us before fame. Singaziwe South Africa, the man embraced us, and supported us and gave us his blessing. So that is the man.
Sure.
One of the reasons why I asked this question, it's because of today's conversation that I want us to have today. Indaba yokubonga. I don't know if it makes sense. Because of siphile esikhathini whereby umuntu yakhona ukumsiza. And umuntu yakhona ukufika kuwe ekhala. And uma umbona the way akhala ngakhona but ube umzwele nawe. And then usacrifice impilo yakho for bona kuze babe right. Maka seqedile enze kangathi lezinto bomenzela zona they don't matter. It doesn't matter how small is a thing or how small is a gesture lo muntu ayenzayo. It is important to look back and say I see you, I acknowledge you. Ngoba puti sinabantu puti that go all throughout aplane izinto. Umuntu ahluleka ukuthi thank you. Do you know ukuthi kunomuntu kumanje ne usevarsity but bengeke afike evarsity if it wasn't for someone that said, hey, do you know that varsity you're open? That particular person changed your whole life. Sure. Because of if you did not come across that person that said ama applications that are opened or that other side by a cash, if it wasn't for that person, you would not have the car that you have today. You would not have the degree that you have today. You would not have anything that, in fact, maybe you would not be married by now. But because of that one single person that gave you a small piece of information that you think it doesn't matter. They played a huge role.
As puti if ingachaza indaba yokubonga ngithi ukujula kancane in terms of makathi umuntu ngiyabonga.
Sure.
Uma athi umuntu ngiyabonga.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi ungenzele into ebengakhona ukuzenzela.
Yo,
wena wangisiza.
Sure.
Ukuthi lento ngiyithole. Ngiyabonga.
Sure.
Umuntu ethi umuntu umenzela into.
Sure.
Angabonga. Uyazi ukuthini? Bengingalidinga usizo lwakho.
Sure. I hear you.
But ave kubhlungu mfethu uthi ubonga ukuthi usiza umuntu.
Sure.
Uthi masomsizile lo muntu sekaphezulu.
Sure.
Athi I didn't even ask nokuthi ungenzele.
Oh!
But kunabantu mfethu abanenhliziyo ezinhle.
Sibu
abagivayo abaphayo
sibu
but namhlanje bastinge namhlanje mabunda abasanandaba nabanye abantu. If we can detect what happened to that person kwaba abantu abaningi aba ungrateful.
Sure.
Abenzela izinto but there was no thank you.
Sure.
Let me tell you something but to thank you wenzani enhlizweni yomuntu.
Wenzani thank you.
Thank you mabunda enhlizweni yomuntu uba nalento let me do it more for you. Thank you mabunda enhlizweni yomuntu ombongayo khona into eyenzakalayo ukuthi let me do more to others.
Sure.
Because mina I believe but ukuthi abantu abaphayo
sure.
abantu abasetshenziswa uNkulunkulu
sure.
ukuzorescue impilo zabanye abantu. So but I won't lie to you bakhona abantu aba ungrateful and because abantu babazinyoka namhlanje. Why? Because of bala ukappreciate nokubonga umuntu mayekwenzela into.
You know but ave kubhlungu ukuthi umuntu umsize maqeda ukukhafulela. Umuntu umsize but aphinde ashaye wena usolo ukuthi awumsizelana angazi if it makes sense because of hence you are saying something when you're saying kahle umuntu ongabongi uvalela abanye abantu labe bazothola usizo olufana nalwakho.
Okay, nguzwa kahle.
Angazi if it makes sense, meaning to say when someone does something good for you and then you do not become grateful for what they did, they're gonna find it difficult to assist umuntu ozayo after when.
Yo,
ngamanye amagama ngamane avale ngenxa yama damages, ngamanye amagama uma ungabonga awuzimosheli wena umoshela nalo ozayo. And I remember the fact ukuthi usizo ulitholile namhlanje akusho ukuthi ngeke ulidinge kusasa. So inkinga yabantu sibuda ukuthi puti bamosha abantu after sebasizile baqabanga ngathi kusasa ngeke balidinga usizo.
yazi puti lento oyishoyo mfowethu, ave kuyingozi
sure
ukusiza umuntu
sure
othi bekufanele ukuthi ungisize,
ufila entitled
lo muntu ngeke azabonga. Iningi labantu mabunda elingabongi yingoba lithi no you were supposed to do that. Because mina putting ngifunde 909 ekukhuleni kwami ngifunde 909.
Yeah,
kunabantu abanabo mama nobaba
sure
bebangabathengela impahla.
Sure.
Kunabantu abanabo umama nobaba
sure
but babathengela impahla.
Sure.
Bese wena othengelwa impahla umama wakho nobaba ube ungrateful. No, kanti kunabantu abanabo abazali kodwa abangenzele izinto wena abakwenzela zona.
Sure.
So wena mawuzo ithatha lento ngokuthi no bekufanele ukuthi angenzele. But sifike kanjani?
But that's the topic of the day, man. That's the topic of the day. You know I want us to also dive in to indaba yakuma relationship.
Leyo ke but
because ave kubhlungu mangu ukuthandana nomuntu onganayo inhliziyo yokubonga. Angazi if it makes sense. Ebuti uthola ukuthi lo muntu indlela owamthola angayo or ayiyo.
Sure.
Wamnceda wena wamphusha esikolweni wamphusha enza zonke lezi zinto lezi but I fail uku-acknowledge ama efforts wakho.
Hey,
angazi if it makes sense. Let's say for example you we have what we call gender roles. Ngamanye amagama it's given noma abantu besifazana bangala balwe against ona lento yokuthi sometimes we come from a generation whereby we were taught ukuthi a role yobaba ukusebenza balethe imali and provide. Then women they take care of the household
and
nan you get what I'm saying. Then uthola ukuthi ke umuntu wakho or indoda goes out of his way. Lo muntu endlini siyazi ukuthi no wena uyapheka mina ngilethe imali and no uyawasha. Giving you an example, umjida I decide ukuwasha indishi akuyona into avamisa ukuyenza. Hayi bese umama afike angabonge ukuthi umjida uwashile
ayithathe as
a role. Angazi if it makes sense.
It makes sense.
It might seem like a small gesture, but you failing to appreciate that man for doing something that he would normally not do. Bonga.
But can I explain something kulento show before ngingena kuleyo nto?
Sure.
Abantu besifazane bane tendency ukuthi when indoda imsiza eintweni zasendlini.
Sure.
Bese lento ayithatha ngokuthi umsebenzi wakhe.
Sure.
Let me tell you something but which is a mystery.
Sure.
I discovered.
Sure.
As I'm in love now. I discovered because there are some things you won't learn until you enter.
Sure.
But when a man is in love,
sure,
akafuni lo amthandayo asindwe ekhona.
Sure.
That is why when indoda imthanda lo muntu imenzela izinto so that kube lula. Ungathi wena umuntu wesifazane makakwenzela kube lula bese uyijoda umsebenzi wakhe. Yabona leyo ukuthi uzothi hayi abeyangagezanga izitsha sengiyangena kulento zasemakhaya angazi ngifikise njani mabunde emabhodweni but sesiphakathi.
That was an example.
Yeah, example. Ngenze example.
Yeah.
when a man is in love,
sure,
uyabona ukuthi okay, isithando sami sofika sikhathele,
sure,
and mafika khathele, let me try nyana ngimwashele,
sure,
because wenza mhlambe usually ufika ngo3 endlini,
sure,
but this time around ufika uyakufonela uyakutshela ngiyofika ngabo 4 5,
sure,
amani uyabona ukuthi okay fine, mwashele amabhodo,
sure,
then makafika azokwazi kwenzani ukupheka. Iphutha ke abantu besifazana abalenza uthi mayewasha amabhodo bese ayitshela ukuthi irole yakhe, kanti lo muntu usuke ekusiza ukuthi uphefumule, sure, because kubhlungu ukubona into oyithandayo isafara in front of your eyes.
Sure, I hear you.
No manje bangishaya abantu besifazana kwa TikTok na Facebook kodwa ngiyabakhulumela.
You know, Buti, the problem with our generation, sure, is one. Abantu aba understand ukuthi ezinye izinto zingabonakala zinormal emehlweni we society, but in reality, based on the times that we live in, they are not really normal. For example, uzwa abantu besifazana most of the time ba attack amadoda that are being celebrated as being presented and stuff. Umuzwa athi uyibonga kanjani, ungabonga kanjani ifish ukuze swim, into kose iyenze nje vele leyo. So you get what I'm saying? Not knowing to say the minute ubonga, you are giving that particular person to say, brah, you are doing a good thing. Mfethu, you are doing a good thing. Continue doing what you are doing. You get what I'm saying? So we live in a generation where mango abantu mina understand kungani ba careless. Ba careless. Into abanayo, they feel entitled phela. Ba feel ngathi wonke umuntu kwamela abasize anyway.
Yazi bhuti mfethu, I've seen this thing.
Sure.
Ayikho into enhle nje ukuthi uma uthandana nomuntu,
sure,
whether it's family member niphilisana,
sure,
nizalwa nonke,
sure,
umbona ukuthi manje ukwenzela izinto ezinhle, othiwa niyathandana nishadile,
sure,
uyambona ukuthi mfethu lo muntu lona uyayimela i-relationship yenu, like
sure,
he's working hard,
sure.
Ayikho into endlula ukuthi uhlale phansi utype i-message, noma sekungaba u2 paragraph mntasekhaya,
sure,
and tell him or her how grateful you are,
sure,
ukuthi ama effort wakho wabona kanjani,
sure,
because into mabunda eceda abantu amandla ukuthi baphushe ezinye zezinto ukuthi ababongwa. Have kubhlungu ukuthi wenze into ebuthi yazi mfethu ukubona nje paragraph yomuntu wakho, thank you so much for calling me every day, ngiyabonga for ukungitext, thank you so much for kungangaleli because nginamamuthi mina nani, you understand, because I discovered nala uthandweni ukuthi you'll understand uhlanya lakho, singamahlanya sonke, you just have to choose ihlanya lakho,
sure,
you understand,
sure.
So I discovered leyo nto mabonda ukuthi ayikho into ebaluleke njengokuthi athi umuntu esebenza kanzima othandweni umbhalela iparagraph noma mabonda sekungaba once a month,
sure,
you understand,
sure.
And then enye into that I discovered also, nalento yama WhatsApp yenzele into yabayinoma, because i-WhatsApp i-message ya WhatsApp nokungabi nesithunzi,
sure,
do SMS,
sure,
ube professional la athi makayifunda ithuka
ivela
kubani le, yabona uyifunda with that confidence,
sure,
you understand, so but the appreciation goes a long way baba. Umzwe kahle baba, ayi sengizoyidedela kwena,
sure,
kunabantu esibabone bethandana isikhathi eside,
yeah,
kanti babambe a basic principles,
sure,
ngiyabonga, I communicate with you, I'm loyal to you, you understand, because yizinto lezi namhlanje siyinyathela phansi, that is why siphume singena na kuma relationship.
Yeah. You know, Buti, I'm sitting down here and I'm thinking, something in my mind says, another word, yokubonga. Kahle kahle uma umuntu athi kuwe ngiyabonga. Uthi, I see you.
Sure.
Or I see what you're doing. You'll hear most of the time umuntu esifazana or amajita athi, haya ungiboni wena. Kanti in reality, that particular saying you are not grateful, you are not seeing my efforts, you are not seeing that sometimes I'm struggling but I do it anyway. You get what I'm saying? Now that is why Puti ubona most of abantu namhlanje kuyahlukana, most of our friends are separate simply because of we are surrounded by friends and we are surrounded by people that just take. They but ave kubhlungu mang usurrounded ngabantu that take. Even when you are exhausted and you can't give anymore, they just keep on taking. And they don't even take the exhaustion that you are having, but they only taking the good things to pay.
Sure.
Unless if it makes sense. Yeah. So kwangati one can be surrounded by someone that does not only take but also that brings and gives back to you. And sometimes to give, it doesn't have to be physical. It should just like you said, I see what you're doing, I appreciate what you're doing. Ngamema kama mfethu kunabantu namhlanje abashadile that need to go to a partner or whoever azothi mfethu ngiyabonga, I see your efforts, I see the battles that you are fighting on our behalf, I see how you struggle, how you make sure that every month there is food. I see you know just to say I see. Ngamema kama put, can I tell you something? Umuntu uma kwenzela into akusho ukuthi bekanaso ifiso zokuzenzela yena.
Inkosi yami.
Does it make sense? Meaning say, let's say for example now, when I give you 100 rand, it doesn't mean put that leyo 100 rand yanga namsebenzi. Ngamanye amagama, I had to sacrifice something for myself for your sake. By giving you that 100 rand, then when you become ungrateful,
because you sebenza somewhere,
yeah,
hey put kuyashisa,
yeah, no, lama lights, I guess.
I know that.
Oh, in a conversation.
Puti.
Yes, sir.
Will be unfair if mhlambe we don't touch this one. Bakhona ke nabanye.
Sure.
Because asingaqini kuphela kulabo abenzelwayo babonge.
Sure.
Bakhona nabenzayo.
Sure.
But ama intentions wababhede.
Yo. I hear you.
Uyazi but umbonaphi umuntu onama intentions abhede uma kwenzela into.
Sure.
Umbona ngokuthi nithi manixabana athi ngakwenzela u1 no2 no3.
Sure.
Irongable leyo nto.
Sure.
Menzela umuntu ngoba kufika kusuka enhlizweni.
Sure.
Akungathi uma ngabe seniqabana ukuthi ngakwenzela u1 2 no3 abanye athi ngakususa lemakhaya ngakwenzela but it's so painful.
Sure.
As much as omunye umntana ebonga,
sure,
but na ungamkhumbuzi izinto omenzele zona manixabene.
Sure.
Wenziwa yini ukuthi masixabana ungikhumbuze izinto ongenzele zona kodwa masijabulile ungikhumbuze?
Sure.
Kusho khona ukuthi awuzenzi lezi zinto genuinely, uzenza because unama intentions that is.
Kahle manje kunabantu abakuboleka usizo. No. Unless if it makes sense. Means say I'm helping you or I'm doing whatsoever that I'm doing to you. I'm not really doing it out of heart as you say, but I'm doing it, I'm borrowing you. Ngamena kama ngakuthengela impahla bengakuthengeli kahle bengikuboleka. Why kwamele ngikukhumbuze ukuthi ngakuthengela impahla wena? Cause kusho ukuthi ke ungibolekile. Number 2, angeke futhi ukuthi wenzele umuntu something with an expectation to get something from what you did.
Kahle bhuti mawuthandana nomuntu.
Sure.
Akwenzele into.
Sure.
Mawuxabana naye akukhumbuze.
Sure.
Ukuthi hayi phela ngikwenzela u1 ngakwenzela u1 2 no 3.
Sure.
Shothi uthandana nomashonisa.
Hey.
Ngoba umashonisa ukuboleka imali akakuboleki ufuna mase ibuyibuye neinterest izawubuye but uma umuntu ekusiza genuine ukusiza akadinge interest futhi umuntu uma ekusiza kuba uwe wena osizwayo akukhumbuze athi mfethu yazi wangenzela u1 2 no 3 umangale na
mina futhi
uma usiza genuine uyakhohlwa.
Yeah. So kusho ukuthi wena njengoba osikhumbula ngasiza 1 2 3 4
mashonisa
boshonisa kahle boshonisa usizo lwakho. You know, coming again but I would also want us to say kubaleka kangakanani ukubonga uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Because singabantu abamqelayo uNkulunkulu but asikhona ukumbonga.
Yeah.
Angazi if lento ngisho it makes sense. Because a lot of us, I believe to say kunezinye zezinto, let me say put it this way, sometimes uNkulunkulu uba nento akunikeze yona kube nento oyicelayo. Let me explain. I pray ngibeke kahle. Kunento uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona kube nento oyicelayo kanti isikhiya sokuthola lento oyicelayo ukubonga le akunikeze yona angazi if it makes sense. So mina say uhlale wena uthandazo uqhubeke uqele njalo kanti uNkulunkulu ulinde the day uzobonga lento akunikeze yona then a release le oyicelayo manje. So iphuthe sinalo mangu sinabantu abaqela njalo kodwa abakaze basinikeza isikhathi sokubonga. I believe sinabantu abakholwa. When was the last time, okay, for example ungene ku fasting uthandazela umshado uthandazela imoto uthandazela indlu or whatsoever reason ekhosa ukuze ufast mase uyitholile le yonto why ungabuyeli ku fasting but if fasting ehlukile yokubonga so sigcwele ngama fasting okuqela but awekho ama fasting okubonga to say uNkulunkulu it's me that guy engaqela ukuthi ngiya ku interview ukuthi ngicela ungihambele phambili ngiphase ngithatha Lord ikuseyimi lo Nkosi engaqela ngiguqa ngithandaza ngifuna umsebenzi ngifuna imoto ngifuna indlu ngizobonga sengizitholile ubuhle bakho sengikubonile ngizobonga.
Hey, but you are being personal now. You are being personal, man. I'm a victim of that.
Sure.
You know, once we include uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Wafaka umuntu ongabonga uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
I've been the victim of that. But uNkulunkulu empilweni yami.
Sure.
I'm talking about me.
Sure.
That's why ngithi lento oyikhulumayo, I'm a victim of that.
Sure.
But ngihlele emkhukhwini unyaka wes3 lo.
Sure.
Ngihlala emkhukhwini 3 years.
Sure.
And I've been complaining to God. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu, why can't you bless me with the house?
Sure.
Why can't you bless me uNkulunkulu ngibe nomuzi?
Sure.
This is me.
Sure.
Ngicomplain uNkulunkulu. One of the good days I heard his voice speaking with me.
Sure.
What is son, why are you being ungrateful? I was like, uNkulunkulu, what do you mean? What son, unendlu nophahla. This is a shelter.
Sure.
Awubhadali rent. Awubhadali gas. Awubhadali manzi. Bese wena uzocomplaina kumina uthi ngihlala emkhukhwini.
Sure.
From that day Mabunda I repented. Ngarepenta. Ngathi uNkulunkulu ngiyaxolisa.
Yo.
But kunabantu abanganayo indawo yokulala.
That's true.
Yabona njengoba kusebusika so Mabunda kuyabanda.
That's true.
Kunomuntu Mabunda mfowethu akanako kokudla. And ngiwesi ke mina angisebenzi nokusebenza but I've got food.
Sure.
Nginendawo yokulala uNkulunkulu wenza sure ukuthi ngilala ngidlile.
Sure.
That's when I realized, that's why I'm a victim of that.
Yo.
Angimbonganga uNkulunkulu kule 3 years 2 years.
Sure.
I'm starting now to realize, oh, I'm blessed.
Yo.
I'm sorry but this is too personal.
You know my khuluma so body. My eyes are open.
Sure.
To say a lot of us, we are not grateful to God. Can I be honest with you, but are you aware that out there are guys that are more gifted than us? Hey. There are guys that bama phambi kwabantu you would be shocked at the wisdom that they carry. You'd be shocked at the amazing knowledge, that the skill and the gift that they have. Yet abaziwa ngendlela esaziya ngayo. I'm not breaking.
No, you're not breaking. That's a thing.
There are better preachers out there that can preach mfethu kwehla but they are not known even around the community labaziwa khona. You get what I'm saying? Then kube nathi people that didn't have a name, people that came from disadvantaged family, people that didn't even have a great upbringing.
Sure.
Yet we have what we have now. So all we are trying to say, put, hey, was ibamba kamnandi le mic.
Yeah.
All I'm trying to say to someone is that ungavumeli izinto oyifunayo zukwenze amehlo akavaleke ungaboni lezo uNkulunkulu sekazenzile. Angazi if it makes sense. Ngoba i-complain yethu kakhulu ivele kutheni kunezinto esifunayo esingakayitholi. Le islide ecomplaining to say uNkulunkulu akunamoto anginani kodwa uma ungahlala phansi ubheke lezinto onazo, you'd realize that umakhelwane akanazo lezinto wena onazo, which gives you a reason ukumbonga uNkulunkulu. As much as umsebenzi wakho ukholela 3,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 a month, kodwa uma ungacheka izinto uyiachieve ngaleyo salary edelelekile, kunomuntu ohola 20,000 kodwa as soon as inyaka iphela akakhona ukujabula, wena unokuthula. Angazi if it makes sense. So if singabantu we can learn the art of appreciating and the art of seeing la sikhona khona, because iphutha labantu abaningi babheka kude bangafuni ukubheka la khona. Yeah,
you know, Puti, at this moment mfowethu,
sure,
I'm grateful to meet such a man ofana noMpostoli uBhede.
Sure.
Because these days nje bekashumayela imessage yokuthi sizidefine ngezinto ukuthi singobani, kanti izinto akukosanga zidefine. We are anointed uhamba ngenyawo, we are anointed uhlala emkhukhwini, we are anointed unganayo even nevupha, because ugcobo, it's God's abilities upon your life. Angazi noma understand. So Puti, I won't lie to you. I think the enemy has preached to us. Ukuthi siyidefine ngezinto eziphathekayo. Kanti Puti azona izinto eziphathekayo. We are beyond izinto eziphathekayo. You understand? So that is why Puti, I won't lie to you. Kulo nyaka lona ngihamba ngiyazazi ukuthi ngubani. So mtaska, it's very important ukuzazi ukuthi ngubani. Don't allow things to define you, but allow God to define you ukuthi ngubani.
You know, Puti, we live in a generation whereby umuntu i-confidence yakhe uyithola entweni anazo. I drive this particular car, that is why I have the confidence that I have. I work this particular job, that is why I have the confidence that I have. I have this kind of a husband, that is why I have the confidence that I have. Ngamanye magama, everything that gives us the confidence that we have in this our generation, it's outside of us. Ingakho uthola abantu bafola into depression uma zonke lezinto lezo zisuka. Kunabantu abafile abathatha intambo bayikhunga simply because of kuphele umshado. Umuntu athatha intambo azibulala simply because of kuphela umsebenzi. Athatha intambo ayibulala simply because of you got into the car accident and then walahlekela imo. Lalela, the minute you understand who you are and understand that you're not defined by what you have, you're not defined by where you stay, you're not defined by what you carry, and understand who you are. Kunomuntu wangathi sikhuluma naye namhlanje who needs to go back ayozibheka esipilini at I don't have a work, phelile umsebenzi, I don't have marriage, abantu bangijikele, but it doesn't change that I'm destined for greatness. This is just a comma in your life. The journey continues. Are we still having time, Put?
I don't know, man. Can you check? Can you check? No, Put, it's
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yeah. Put, it's very important to be grateful.
Hey, Put.
It's very important to be grateful.
Hey, why am I remember Asashmael?
No, manje. Yeah, no, iyavela lento, Put, iyavela. Put, asiyeke lento yokunaka.
Yeah.
Izinto ezenzakala kamakhelwane. Unganako kwenzakala la ekhaya.
Yo.
Because mazonaka into ezenzakala kamakhelwane.
Sure.
You lose the blessing that you have.
Sure.
Kunabantu ababheka ama relationship abanye abantu.
Sure.
Kunomuntu wesifazana obheke I relationship yomunye umuntu. Baze baba bahle. Baze benzana. Wakhohla ukubonga indoda yakhe le ahlala nayo.
Yo.
But it's very important mfowethu ukuthi uma unento yibheke uyibuka ukhohle ukuthi abanye benzani.
Sure.
Into esenza sibe ungrateful ukuthi sibheke abanye. Yo, kanti mangabe but uzobheka la ukhona khona ukuthi no man, I'm blessed to have this man. Sure. I'm blessed to have this woman. You understand?
Sure.
That is why but ungizwe kahle. Angeke uzuyibonge into uma ngaba mehla kasabheke intweni.
Yo. Ngizwe kahle.
Yayizwa lento.
Ngizwe kahle.
Uyoyibonga into the day ubheke yona yodwa. But uma uzobheka ezinye vele le la ngeke uzuyibona. Iyafana nalento I'm going somewhere about this thing. Angayiphakameni.
Wena ngesmile sakho.
Okay.
Ngiyabona drop something.
iyafana nalento Mabunda
sure
yokuthi ube nentombi ube nendoda
sure
or intombi ebheke amanye amadoda ukuthi ngiyafunwa ngiyathandwa ngiyintombazane efunwayo abafana bayangifuna ngiyathandwa kanti ubuke labo bantu usuluza lo onaye ubone ane value ephansi it's because ubone ezinye ngaphandle wakhohlwa lo mawubona mntana sikhaya umuntu engabongi kuwena ebheka amandla akho kuyinto ephansi mntana sakhaya mshiya umuntu onjalo because ave kubhlungu Mabunda ukuthi uzofuna ukunelisa umuntu o ama feelings wakhe angaphandle angekho la ekhaya everything that you do baba it's in vain
okusho ukuthi being with that kind of a person that does not say thank you but ocomplaina njalo ongafocus kulezinto oso uzenzile afocus kulezi ongazenzanga angazi if it makes sense loyo muntu you make sure that everything is well afocus emaphutheni wakho kulezinto ongazange azenza bafethu lento kubonga you know Puti sesivala
sure
I want to say this word to say ukubonga kuyafana nokunisela eflower liyenza leyo flower ikhule angazi if it makes sense or isihlahla ngamagama and remember Puti uma utshale isihlahla samapentshisi or peach or whatsoever any tree the minute you water it ayikazali angazi if it makes sense I produce ama fruits but the minute ulokuqhubeka uyibonga ngokwinisela lalela one day it's gonna give fruits and you're gonna enjoy it but uma ungabonga lento oyikhulisa ngeke izikhule kodwa the minute ulokuyinithisela one day it will grow and the minute ikhole you're gonna enjoy number 2 awubongi kuphela ngoba so enjoy ama fruits ngoba kunekwenzeka mango isihlahla singakunikeza ama fruits kodwa sikunikeza umthunzi ube umuntu ignorant ufocus ekutheni ama fruit aweke kwanti isizini enza ukuthi ama fruit aweke umthunzi uyawuthola so abantu abangabongi mvangeli yabona
Nkosi yami Mabunda
mase ngikubiza ngomvangeli
ingena officeini
no man Puti sivale real talk hayibo
you know Puti I'm trying to put myself in a man
sure
or appreciate wa ekhaya
obongayo
indoda ebongwayo Mabunda zithi ibuye emsebenzini bamthuka esebenza kanzima but uma ecabanga ukuthi indlela engibonga ngayo ekhaya angikwazi ukuyeka lo msebenzi amadoda abongwayo Puti into yokubongwa plays a very significant role kuthi noma into ikushaya somewhere there but you think for those appreciate who say thank you baba thank you mama
sure
so mntasekhaya bonga and Mabunda ungizwe kahle mfowethu
sure
asibongi ngamazwi kuphela nangezenzo siyabonga because kunabantu ababonga ngomlomo but izenzo azibonga
you know masakhuluma so I feel like also not only abo baba but kunabo mama and women that are carrying houses in their shoulders that work day and night to make sure that there is food at home there are women body ababekezelela amadoda noma angasebenzi because of the economy kodwa akuphathe kahle ungasebenzi bafo bonga loyo muntu esifazane ngoba baningi abafazi abangeke bakhona ukubekezelela indoda engasebenzi. But for the mere fact that you have a woman that takes care of your children, you have a woman that makes sure that noma ekushiya endlini akakushiyi kunganakudla. Ngamane avuka ekuseni ngo4 ngo5 athi ngiphekela ubaba la ekhaya, athi ephuma akushiye kunokudla. Does it make sense? Aphinde abuye futhi late aze awashe nezitsha ayenze nonke angacomplainili. Bonga. Not only that bafethu, nabazali bethu bafethu. Kunabazali futhi that stopped their lives for our sake. Kunabazali futhi that sold their cars for abantwana babo ukuze baye esikolweni. Kunabantu mfethu aba resign hayi ngoba bebafuna ukuresign. Umuntu awuyeke umsebenzi because of afuna imali zasemsebenzini azokhona ukubhadelela wena uye esikolweni. Ebafethu bongani, I repeat, bongani. Bafo, listen to me very carefully. That woman bengayenzi abortion. What decide ukungayenzi wanakekela ingane yakho, but wena umphathisa kwenja. Bonga siswami, mama siyapi, that guy beyangabaleka nganakekela ingane, kodwa what decide ukuhlala, make sure that every month you get food, you uyayithumela imali and whatsoever that they do. Appreciate the effort that people put. Real talk.
Ngiyobe Mabunda ngenza iphutha ngicela ukuofremba. Ngivala ngalento.
Sure.
And bosses again lento yokuthi nizawubonga ngama private party. Kuma relationship nina into nilethayo nje i private party. Umuntu wakho uyamenzela umthengele izinto umbonge ngazo because nabantu besifazana Mabunda ababonga ngama private party. But okunye ababonga ngakho
nalabo ababonga ngama negipa namasokisi.
Ngiyabazi
ngegipa namasokisi. I-birthday igipa namasokisi, i-Valentine igipa namasokisi. No, but you serious lento le, it's a crime. It's a crime.
Yeah.
I-Father's Day igipa namasokisi. Ebafethu siyathanda sis nina bo what independent women skipping yaskippa yayikhipha indoda yathenga amatayiro wemoto yathenga i-PlayStation PS5 and let me say this thing Vangeli, we once spoke about this thing. Angazi why siya la ngizoyijikitshela kowe manje
amna sengicedile.
We once spoke about this thing to say as a woman it's very very important to know lo muntu othandana naye and give according to lezi zinto ayithandayo ngoba angeke that is why women are ignorant sometimes to the needs of men. Okusho ukuthi ke they don't pay attention to what the man loves. Yes, ibhola uyalithanda, you know that, but which team does he love? Ngoba uyomthengela iskipa seManchester City kanti yena uthanda Manchester United. And umbone ukuthi ha ngimthengelile, why angekho grateful? Kanti grateful but ukuthi wena uthenge into that is outside of what he loves.
Real talk with